All right, y'all, this is some behind the scenes look. Today we are focusing on finally getting into the many boxes that were sent to me for review and to share with you all some sponsored content. This video is not sponsored. It is somewhat sponsored because it's for the YouTube members. So thank you for being a member, but behind the scenes, today we are just focusing on trying to get the content out and testing out products, using it, and sharing with you all what I feel about it. So I wanted to show you a few things. All right, so right here we have the Anker Solix, and you may think, oh, a portable battery, you don't need that at home. Well, we are in the garage studios and I know we have outlets, but the cool thing about this is I could just set it anywhere and not have to worry about long cords or where the outlet locations are. But right now I'm just charging my phone, the DJI wireless microphones that I just got, so we're gonna put that to use today. We have my DJI Action Cam. That is the dash cam that I use on off-roading trips and road trips and stuff when I remember, if I remember to bring it. Over here is our little bench where I just throw a bunch of stuff in here. So Starlink underneath. We're gonna be using that on the video today. But yeah, we just have a bunch of stuff. My kids' bikes are here. We're gonna also be using that on the video today. But yeah, a lot of products. I'm just gonna show you the stuff that I'm just sitting on, trying to get the time and work things out. So this is Hansshow, and Hansshow has sent this out like over a month ago, and it's the camera for the Cybertruck, the side, what is it? No, the rear view camera. And I can't really install it because you run the wire along below the cant rail, which has a recall at the moment. And so I don't want to install that and then have Tesla do the recall and they're like, wait a minute, you fiddled around with this area. You voided the warranty. We can't do the recall. I don't know. I just don't want to give them an excuse, right? So we're just gonna sit on it for a little bit. I already got like 3D printed camera housing that Cobra had shared with me for his setup. But yeah, I'm just sitting on it because until I get the cant rail recall fixed, I don't want to install it and have them say we can't do the recall. So the next box is one from HaloBlk, and we've done a few videos with HaloBlk. This is the brand new Halo disc, V2 I believe. And what's hard about doing this video is I don't have a car that fits it. Well, I have the Model Y, and the problem is I have aftermarket wheels, and these are not meant for aftermarket wheels. So they're not gonna fit, they're not gonna work. Yeah, see? But, oh, we could take a look, let's see. Look at that. Okay. Little preview, check that out. But we are trying to work with our good friend Chichai, who has a Model 3. We're gonna pretty much install that on his car. It's just coordinating with time. Time is a resource that's expensive. So we're working on that, and I can't wait to show you guys that, and I can't wait to actually try to figure out how it works. So I'm excited. All right, we have that box. We have this box, and we have the box down there, all from Best EV Mods, and a few things for the Cybertruck. And finally, we have this box right here from Jowua. So Jowua reached out to collab on a few things. I'm excited to show you what they have over there. Some ideas that I had, and fortunately they had the products to support my idea. And I needed it. I needed it to help out with this channel and the schedule that I have. And also it's gonna help answer questions that I get ever so often. I think I get this question probably once a week. I'm gonna finally get to show you and answer that question. and also show just behind the scenes, like what really goes on in the Sherwin-M Industries. But yeah, so more behind the scenes footage. I'm gonna bring back an old skit. But if you are familiar with the channel, this is that bit that I would do with the doorbell bit. So I have some ideas on a few things, and we're gonna be filming that today. And yeah, we're gonna have fun today. We're gonna have fun. For those bits, I usually use my Pixel phone because they're vertical, and I just have it. And I think it's just handy to shoot it on the cell phone. I don't like shooting vertical because I don't like watching my videos in vertical, or what is that, portrait mode, because my TV is landscape. But I gotta do what's trending. It's such a pain because I have to you know, record multiple times or edit videos and cut off the sides, where it's like my whole original idea was to get this. I sound like a director, right? But I'm not. But you know what I'm saying, like that the original idea was this to be shot in landscape mode and not in portrait. But if I have to play the game for Instagram and all that, and what is it, like YouTube shorts, I gotta record in vertical mode. But it's fine. It helps me get experienced with other ways of shooting. But this is a tripod that I use. I have two of these. This tripod's actually I like this tripod because it's portable. It's small footprint. The only thing is it wobbles. See, it wobbles. So especially when I mount heavier cameras on here, I don't mount my big DSLR, but like phones, action cams, and the Osmo Pocket is what I primarily use mounted on here. But it wobbles. See, it's not that stable. So we can't shoot on windy days, and you know, I just have to be aware of it. But sometimes I just don't know until I'm editing, and I'm like, oops, oh well. But yeah, so we're gonna be shooting with the Pixel 9 Pro. Some skits, bits, whatever you want to call it. Bring it back. So I have fun shooting those. I actually have time today, y'all. So man, but I have a doctor's appointment later, so we gotta do this fast. That's where I usually position my phone. I have my action cam here to do some time lapse for behind the scene footage. But yeah, it's facing the door. So they're gonna be like spoiler alerts, especially for YouTube members who will get access to this video first. You're gonna pretty much see what video I'm gonna come out with, but that's quite all right. That's the benefits of being a YouTube member. You get to see things first. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do like the product placement. I'm gonna be grabbing a box, the usual stuff. Now we're gonna be shooting a video for Jowua. Well, this video is not really a sponsored one. It's just something I like to do. But it's fun for me. But it also helps me showcase videos on the YouTube channel. So these are usually for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. The like short form content. Again, if you're not familiar with these videos, like I shoot them here in front of the door with the doorbell. I call it the doorbell skit or the doorbell bit. But I usually place the packages over here so that the camera can see. Actually, I should go get the camera and try to frame it up. But see, it's like it's wobbling. I don't know what happened to this one. I think I just have to tighten it. Okay, I have to tighten it. But yeah, it does a good amount of wobbling, so I have to make sure I stabilize it or frame it like correctly or properly. But yeah, let me get out the way so I can actually see the frame. It's about that, like that. maybe. Something like that. I don't know. All right, so this is about the right area I want to put it in. It's framed to where the box is showing with the brand name. And I gotta make sure that when I open the screen door, it doesn't hit it. So it's not hitting it. All right, so that clip is probably gonna be only like 30-45 seconds. And it already took almost an hour just to set up. As you can see, I was looking for my freaking goggles, and I'm gonna put it to good use. It's on my damn head. That's where it was. And it was on top of my head. I spent like 10 minutes running around. My memory isn't what it used to be, so so a lot of those time spent is this wasteful time of just running around trying to remember what I needed to do. So that's why you see clips that are like out of focus or whatever. But it's all fun until you realize you're getting old. But yeah, we're gonna be editing and we're gonna be shooting the video of the actual accessories. So I just wanted to show you all some behind the scenes stuff of some of the things that happen when I record. It is a lot of fun, and at the same time you are constantly reminded of just how unprofessional or unexperienced, but I think that's cool with me. I mean, that's what makes my videos hopefully unique, because I don't know what I'm doing. So, and I'm just happy that you guys are entertained by it, that you guys like it, and at the same time I'm learning, and I hope you guys are learning with me. But yeah, that's it. Once again, not a sponsored video, although it is made possible by YouTube memberships. You know, this idea of mine of just showing these behind the scenes footage is primarily for YouTube memberships, and then later on will be provided to everyone else. So if you are considering supporting the channel beyond like the likes, the comments, and the subscription, you know, do consider checking out the YouTube membership. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.